Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you some hidden tricks on Snapchat that everyone should know. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, this is a account where I don't technically have best friends, but the first tip or trick I want to show you is by going into the settings and pressing on the settings icon, and we're going to be finding an option that says manage, and now we have these friends emojis. Now usually you know these emojis. If you don't know what these emojis are, the description is written right below on the side. So usually what we see for best friends is this. You can just create you can just choose any emoji, any emoji, and then you can swipe out, and then your emoji will change. Next up, the most favorite feature of mine is the search one. Like, point your camera towards something and just hold on to the screen, and it said introducing scan. So right now I am scanning. I'm just holding on. I'm just tapping on the screen, and it's gonna search for it, and most probably it's gonna tell me Corgi, right? That is the dog that we were searching for. And you can do that to discover songs. You can do that to solve a math problem. A bunch of stuff you can do with it. So another tip, trick would be, creating shortcuts. You can swipe down, you can press on this plus button, you can add friends, you can edit shortcuts, you can create a new shortcut. So it's pretty handy if you want to send snaps to multiple people. Create a shortcut, press OK, select any emoji, and then it's created, and then you can just hit this button, and then you can snap all three people at one time. So it's quite simple, quite fast, and it saves a lot of time. So additionally, if you want to snap multiple people, or so if you want to take multiple snaps for same amounts of number of people, you're gonna hit tap 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 tap. You can send up to 10 snaps to your friends. So that's another tip, another trick. Or on the right side you have this whole panel. This is full of features that you probably haven't used. Even the ultra wide, now we have the ultra wide that that helps you get more of the picture into the frame. So that is about it from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.